actor. We'll speak in full butler English today.
No crimer, no timer, whatever.
No crimer, no timer, no waste timer.
Ayo!
You'll only have to complete it, ma'am.
Rashmika, I have no words for the exuberance that you bring on screen, despite being as simple as you are. एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. Does everyone love Rashmika? So here's the question.
जी बोलिए.
आपने सब सुपरस्टार्स और यहाँ तो सुपर डुपर स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम इन पे आए, एक कैरेक्टर आपके जैसे इतनी वैरायटी करने वाले को कॉल आउट करता है, and this seems very different, and this seems a very different side of Shekhar as well. तो क्या था वो जिसके वजह से आपने हाँ कहा?
पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? ऑल गुड? चलो ठीक है. हाँ, தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? இங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல பேசுனேன்னா the Hindi media will be like, what, we don't understand anything. So okay வா உங்களுக்கு? Looks like there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have.
You can go part, it's all good.
Okay, why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
जी.
Okay va? So what was your question again?
What was the character in this movie that attracted you कि मैं इसको करना चाहती हूँ?
I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir, and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like we have this entire, like we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. So,
but there's something very different about your character. Let's be honest.
See, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her.
So, without giving away too much,
जी,
क्या हमने आपको पहले इस अवतार में देखा है जो आप दिखाने वाली है character wise?
नहीं. I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors, and that is the beauty of it. क्योंकि like directors, each directors have their own flavor. तो इसीलिए I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters. And she is extremely different. She is, as in I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
But there is one thing that is not different, is your streak to work with the best of best. We have two heavyweights here we love, and the kind of body of work that they've brought in. What is this special connect? Let's start with Nagarjun sir. For you, you know, maybe a memory, a core memory, and now being his co-star.
I love Nag sir. I've gotten this opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. Wow. You know, he's effortless, he's just being him.
Smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching him, he enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling Sir that Sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second Sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special.
मैं सबको बोल रही हूँ, सबके अंदर एक कुबेर है. I think Dhanush sir के अंदर जो कुबेर है वो versatility का है. You can never recognize him. You're like, who is this person? We don't know him.
See, Sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way, and he will be the Kubera of everything he does, and he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. Hannah, sir.
Woo!
Yeah, sir.
Because we have limited time with sir, वो actually shoot के बीच से आए हैं, and everyone here is, for them, every minute is money and Kubera. I'm going to take the opportunity to invite everyone on
yes, of
stage.
course.
As we know, we don't have. By the way, ये गाना जो आपने रश्मिका का देखा, वो आज शाम को YouTube पे release होगा, and you'll have it on Aditya Music. And so we
Also,
have from
if
Aditya
I
Music,
just
Aditya
may-
with us.
If I just may add something, आप सबने ये गाना देखा ना?
हाँ.
2 बार, हाँ, of course. But what I wanted to say about this Gana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs. You have male perspective on songs. But this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
100%. With those kind of lyrics, watch out.
Yeah. Pakka, you have to.
May
Right,
I?
now I'm going to stop.
No, stay with us. Yes, Aditya ji, please join us on stage. Thank you for Aditya Music for having the music.